Hi, this is Lulu from Mercury Organizing. The reason why I'm doing a video message today is really just to say hi, Happy New Year. I'm going to start making some videos to really help out those who may need some organizing. Now, I've been an organizer for over 15 years here in Chicago, helping people in their homes and their offices, mostly trying to help them get to the core of the organization. Now, it could be at any stage in your life, whether you have children and making space for them, or if you're downsizing, children have all grown out of the house. We're in the middle of the pandemic, and it's been hard and challenging for all of us. My mother had a stroke this year, and it's been a challenge, but I feel that because of the organization that I put in place, it's been easier. So like a blizzard where we're at right now, even if you get something that's kind of treacherous to get through, it really is just being ready, having at least the support or create the support yourself. But in spite of things and the setbacks, you can keep going. You could feel more confident that you've got this. You have all the things you need. And that's what I hope to help you create and develop for yourself. So when it's starting to get cold and difficult and hard to get through the snow, you just keep at it, keep walking, put one foot in front of the other. But perseverance really is what you need to dive deep in those emotions of helping you get through that hardship or the hard times. So I hope in your part of the world or space that you are finding some goodness, some sunshine or light. But reach out, comment, subscribe, like the channel, and I'd be happy to know how to help you. If you like this channel, feel free to view the description below, and anything you can do to contribute. Have a good day.